Hi all and welcome back to Next Stitch Designs with me Sylvia. In today's video I am going to show you how to crochet this very easy neck warmer. So for today's neck warmer, I will be using this bonus super chunky extra value yarn. It's really nice and thick yarn. I would say it's a bulky weight yarn. Of course, you can use chunky as well. And for this yarn, I will be using 8mm hook. You will need a yarn needle, a tape measure, stitch markers, and a pair of scissors. So for our neck warmer, I am going to start with the slip knot first. So hold your yarn and like so, wrap it around your 2 fingers and create a cross. Go under this first one, on top of the second one, pull it down and twist your hook. And now we have our slip knot. Now for our neck warmer, we are going to chain a long chain, and once the chain can wrap comfortably around your head, it will sit nicely on your neck. So we will chain a long chain, and also the chain needs to be any multiple of 2. So just make sure you count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. So chain your long chain, then wrap it around your head, and if it goes through your head comfortably, then we are good to go. So for my size, I will chain 34. So I have 30, 31, 32, 33, and 34. Now for our neck warmer, make sure the chain is comfortable all the way around your head, because we need this measurement once we hold the chain together like this. And then you will slide it on your neck, and it will be really nice close to your neck, so you won't be cold and you won't feel any breeze, because we'll be working on our pattern and the length of our neck warmer. And it will stretch a little bit. So once you have as many chains as you need, just make sure it's a multiple of 2. We are going to close it like so. Now find your first stitch and make sure these V's are facing out like this, so your chain is not twisted. Now find your first stitch, your first V, and insert your hook like so. And work your slip stitch. Yarn over, pull through and pull through the loop like this. And now we are going to chain 1. And this chain 1 is not counting as our first stitch. So into the same place, you will work single crochet. So insert, yarn over, bring it up, and finish your single crochet. And now bring your stitch marker and place into your very first stitch. And now we will work single crochet in every stitch all the way around. So find the next V, insert, and work your single crochet. Find the next one, and next one, and I'm working under these loops here. So you have your V, and I'm working like this. So we will work single crochet all the way around in every stitch. Once you come to the end, I show you what to do next. And I am finishing this round one of single crochet all the way around. So I have my last one here. So I went all the way around. And now, where is my stitch marker? I will work single crochet front loop only. So I will not slip stitch. I will just take this stitch marker out, and I will work single crochet front loop only. So this is my front loop, and this is my back loop. As you can see, this is the V, front loops, back loops. So I will close this round one with single crochet front loop only. So insert like this and replace your stitch marker. So you know that's your very first stitch. Into the next stitch, you see this is my next stitch. Next to me, I will work single crochet back loop. So my back loop is this one here. So single crochet back loop, and the next one single crochet front loop. And that's how we are going to work all the way around. Alternate single crochet front loop, single crochet back loop, single crochet front loop, single crochet back loop. For this, around 2. So continue like so all the way around. Once you are somewhere here, I'll show you what to do next. And don't forget, we alternating. So I have done front loop. Next one will be back loop, front loop, and back loop. So I am finishing this round 2, and I have just done single crochet front loop. Next one will be single crochet back loop, and I am here again. Where is my stitch marker? So I know I am going to start the next round 3. So where is my stitch marker? We will work again single crochet front loop, and that's how we are going to start every round. You are not slip stitching, you will simply continue. So single crochet front loop and single crochet back loop, front and back, front and back, and so on. Super easy. So you will work like so on your neck warmer for as many rounds as you need. I will work about 12 or 13 inches. If you want to make it more gathered on your neck. You will need, of course, more yarn, so maybe 2 balls, and it will be more gathered around your neck, so you will need to add more rounds. So I will do about 12 or 13 inches, and once I'm done with my length, then I show you what to do next. So continue working in the rounds, single crochet front loop and single crochet back loop. And once you come to a stitch marker, remember, remove your stitch marker and work your single crochet front loop. Again, do not slip stitch. After each round, you simply just work single crochet front loop, single crochet back loop, and so on. So continue working like this on your neck warmer. So I am finishing my neck warmer, and I have front loop here. The next one will be back loop, single crochet, and this is my very first stitch. Now, to finish this neck warmer or cowl, as I said, I will do about, let me see, 13 inches. Of course, you can do even more, but if you want, of course, you can add more rounds and have it more gathered on your neck. So it's totally up to you. I am going to stop here once I have 13 inches, and I am going to finish this last round with single crochet backwards, or also known as a crab stitch. Of course, if you want, you can work single crochet in every stitch under the full stitch to finish your last round, or you can do crab stitch like me. So it's totally up to you. So to do crab stitch, I will work my last stitch. Where was my stitch marker? Like this, but under the full stitch, like so. And I will replace the stitch marker like so. And now we will work single crochet backwards. To do so, okay, so I will take the stitch marker out so we can see better what I'm doing. And now we will work single crochet backwards. To do so, you are going to insert your hook like this, yarn over and bring it up like this, and single crochet like so. Now find the next stitch. Remember, we're going backwards now, so we will find the next stitch, which is here. Insert from the front like so, yarn over and bring it up, because we want this nice loop, so bring a little bit higher like so, and finish single crochet. Again, we're going backwards. Remember, we're working under the full stitch from the front like this. Again, from the front, pulling higher and finishing. So our last round will be single crochet backwards, or also known as a crab stitch. So we will work backwards like this. If you want, you can place the stitch marker here, as I said, but you don't have to, as it is obvious. You can tell where we started. So work like this all the way back. So continue crab stitch all the way around. Once you come here, I show you how to finish it. And I am finishing this last round. And I have this last stitch here. And to work the last stitch, I will turn my work like so and work into this very first one and just slip stitch like this and chain one. And we finished our last round. Now we are ready to fasten off, leave it longer so you can hide it later on. And this is our cowl completed. And I think it's looking amazing. So all we have to do now, hide this end here and this end inside here. And this is it. This is our beautiful cowl completed. This is the top of our cowl, finished with beautiful crab stitch, and it will be gathering on our neck like so. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial as much as I did. Please don't forget to like it, share it, and of course don't forget to subscribe to my channel Unique Stitch Designs for more ideas from me, Sylvia. And please don't forget to find me on social medias. I am on Facebook, Instagram, Pinterest and TikTok. Thank you very much for watching.